Hey everyone, welcome back. Is DealSeek crashing the moment you open it? Here's the quick fix. First, open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture at the top right. Pull down to refresh. Look for DealSeek in the list of updates and tap Update if it's there. DealSeek has pushed multiple fixes in the recent versions, including specifically fixing a crash when opening certain collections in version 1.59. If you're already on the latest version and it still crashes, press and hold on the DealSeek icon on your home screen. Tap Remove App, Delete App, then tap Delete App to fully uninstall it. Then go to the App Store and then search for DealSeek. Tap on it and then reinstall it completely fresh. Your saved deals will reload from your account when you sign back in. After reinstalling, go to the settings, then go to general, then go to software update and install any pending iOS update. So all you've got to do is update DealSeek first, then delete and reinstall the crash clears. Subscribe for more DealSeek fixes.